In today's video, I'll show you how to use integrations in Todoist to connect it with the other tools you already use every day. Todoist works beautifully on its own, but it gets even more powerful when it talks to your calendar, your chat apps, and the other services that run your day. Let's see where all of that lives. First, let's open your settings. The quickest way is to press the letter O, then the letter S, which jumps you straight into the settings panel. In the list on the left, find and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make. You'll notice a few tabs at the top. The Installed tab shows integrations you've already set up, which starts out empty until you add your first one. The one we want is Browse. Go ahead and click Browse, and you'll see a whole gallery of available integrations, things like Google Calendar, Slack, and many more, each one ready to connect. To actually connect a service, you'd click on it and then sign in to that service in the window that appears, giving Todoist permission to work with it. I won't log into a personal account here, but the steps are simple. Choose the integration you want, click Connect, sign in, and approve the connection. From that point on, the two tools stay in sync automatically. Once an integration is connected, it shows up under your Installed tab, and you can manage or remove it anytime right from this same page. Integrations are what turn Todoist from a standalone list into the hub of your whole workflow. Browse through the gallery in your own account and connect the tools you rely on most. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.